Hey guys, we're working on a Honda today. 07 Civic that's got ignition problems. So the symptom is when you get inside and you put your key in the ignition and you start it, sometimes there's a buzzing noise. Let's see if it'll do it. It's intermittent. And of course that time it doesn't do it because I'm trying to show you guys. But mostly on a cold morning, it'll be a slight buzz. Either the vehicle won't start or it'll just start and make that buzzing noise before it actually goes. So here's your issue. We got an ignition switch on the inside we're going to replace today. So this is the electronic portion. There's your tumbler right there that your key turns. But on the other side, it's going to turn this little switch on here. That's actually what's going to give you all your life to your car. So we're going to get into this and get it all fixed up. So there's 3 Phillips screws you want to take out. Here, here, and here. That's underneath the column. Next you're going to want to just use a small flat blade screwdriver to pry in between these 2 pieces and pop them apart, and they should slide out fairly easily. Now down lower you got this piece that covers up right here. You're going to want to pop that out. All you do is you pull on it. There's no screws or anything. I pulled this out of the way, but I don't really need to, so I'm not really going to talk about that. You're going to have to get at a screw in there. And you're going to notice for most screwdrivers there's not enough room to get in between here. So if you just get an X-Acto knife or a drill or something and zip a hole through there. I just cut a little plus sign with an X-Acto knife from this side and then push the screwdriver through. Second bolt you want to get off right above my finger. If you can't see that, here's the new part. There's how it fits there. There's 1 screw hole there and 1 screw hole there, right by the connector, just like that. There you go. Good and free. You can leave your screwdriver there. Pull her back a little bit. Next you want to work on this connector. See if I can do this with one hand. A little push tab you just want to push in and pull. Give her a little wiggle. Out she comes. And actually, oh, well, that was easy. And there's your old switch. And there's your new switch. Put her back in there. Give her a little wiggle. And she should push right into place. She's all done. And didn't even open up a beer. Cool. Guess we'll find out tomorrow morning when it's really cold out.